Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share this club set with you because it is going to be one of your go-tos. It's one of those that you're going to use every time of the year, especially if you buy any of the add-ons. Are you ready to see it? I'm so excited to share it with you. It is called Wagon2stamp, and let me just tell you, it is so fun. It's like those old-fashioned wagons that we had as kids. So you have this cute little wagon, you have some pumpkins to put in there, you also have some leaves to put in there. Stay tuned for the next video because you're going to see all the fun add-ons. But here we have Hello Pumpkin, special delivery, 2 stamps. Hello, loads of love, get it because it's a wagon. Welcome, loads of thanks. Leaves are falling, autumn is calling. Fall leaves, autumn breeze. And look at how cute that is. Now, yes, of course, there are add-ons, so you have to stay tuned for that. However, Stamp Club members, boom. You're getting this stamp set sent to you automatically. Yay, Ken gets up extra early to get them in the mail. And then if you are not in the Stamp Club, but you're in the Die Hard Club, meaning you get the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match, I kind of went a little overboard. I gave you lots of extra leaves, lots of extra pumpkins, because I wanted to make sure that you had enough stuff. So you have the pumpkins and the shadows, you have the leaves and the shadows, and then here we go. We gave lots and extra little leaves just so you would have more to do. We have the little handle, we have the cute little wagon itself, and not only are my Die Hard Club members getting the stamp set and the die set, they are getting a freebie this month. I'm not going to show it to you. I don't want to spoil the surprise, but you are getting a freebie this month. Why? Because we love you. We just want you to know, hey, we appreciate you. Now, the Die Hard Club is our most popular club. If you didn't know that, now you do. And of course, you also, both clubs get the handy dandy postcard that shows you not only the add-on sets that coordinate, but some great ideas. Now, we have lots more ideas on our website gallery, but I have some to share with you right now. Are you ready? I'm excited about these. So here we go. Here's cute little Liam. Let's get the celebration rolling, and look at all of those fun pumpkins he has in his little wagon. I love it. Perfect for the little peeps. As you can see, the wagon is like the perfect size for the little peeps. Here is a fun one. Are you ready? This is a slimline box card. Oh, look at how gorgeous that is. I absolutely think it's stunning. Cute little wagon on there with its pumpkins and the little trees. So cute. Now the trees are from the House Folded. Just a heads up on that if you're looking for that. That's from the House Folded. Now let's look at some more. Here's a cute one. Look at those leaves. Doesn't it just make you think of fall? I absolutely love it. Open it up. Leaves are falling. Autumn is calling. Here's another cute one. These are on the mini slimline card die, which is so handy dandy, isn't it? And it fits perfect for that wagon. I love it. Here's another one. Look how gorgeous that is. Thanksgiving. Now, if you don't have that Thanksgiving, because you know what? I know you don't. It's coming soon. It's a sneak peek, sneak peek. Here's a cute one with our big leaf folded. I absolutely love it. Look at that. I love that wagon. Now, you can do that wagon handle in a couple different ways. You can do it up like those. You could do it up all the way. You could do it back a little bit like that. You could also do it kind of behind your little peep, or your little peep could be holding it if you want to. Here's another fun one. Oh, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? On our fun card base. I love that. Happy Halloween. Now you see our little mummified giraffe little peep. That wagon goes perfect with those little peeps. Here's another, oh, this one's cute. This one's just die cut. No stamps needed. I absolutely love that. Here's a fun one, just using the stamps on the background, which is gorgeous. Now the pumpkin on this one is from the Gnome Folded, just so you know. Here's a fun one. I love this one with the cute little clouds in there. Pumpkins, 5 cents. I love that. And 2 more. Here's a cute one. Oh, Hello Pumpkin, Farm Fresh Pumpkins. And then, oh, that one has a couple sneak peeks on it. I wonder if you can tell. And here's a cute one, because remember, it doesn't have to be for fall. Now, in the next video, other items that we released, we have other items for you to put in your wagon. Lots of fun stuff. Now, club members, as you know, Ken gets up extra early to get those in the mail to you. If you're not in the club, you are missing out. just start with the Stamp Club. The Stamp Club is $13.99 a month. That includes shipping in the United States. Canada is only 50 cents more. And you'll get that stamp set sent to you automatically each month, but then you're getting the 15% discount on our website off of everything. Not one exclusion. Everything. Machines, Totally Tiffany items, everything. 15% off. You're also going to get club points on every purchase. You're also going to get anniversary gifts when you stay in a full year. And we like to throw out freebies. So our Die Hard, for example, this month is getting a freebie. It's really exciting. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just watch that video to find out more, okay? And if I went too fast on any of these, never fear. They're all in our online gallery on our website. Click Product Gallery and you'll get to see all of these fun projects put together. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.